How to view Snapchat stories without knowing them. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you open or view the Snapchat stories without let them knowing. So let's get started. First, as I want to inform you that there is no any such official method you can view someone's stories without let them knowing. Instead of that, you can use such alternative method. At first, you can use the airplane mode. First, open the Snapchat. After you open Snapchat, from there you'll have to just let the stories loaded by Snapchat. After Snapchat will complete load all of the stories on Snapchat, you'll have to just turn on your airplane mode. After you turn on your airplane mode, you can view those stories who are fully loaded. After you view it and close it, you can simply turn off that airplane mode. Also, you can use another Snapchat account or you can use a secondary private account. Log into your secondary Snapchat account and watch storage freely without them knowing. And that's it. These are the methods you can try to view someone's Snapchat storage without let them knowing. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.